How's it going, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about your iPhone camera not working. So usually if you press your icon right here, it turns on the camera, right? So what happens if you click on your camera icon and nothing shows up? So that's basically an indicator that your camera is either blocked. So one thing I would check is something pretty obvious. Just go check around right here, right here. Turn your iPhone around and see if something's blocking your camera. If everything looks fine and there's nothing blocking it, then I'm sorry to say that your camera is screwed up and you're going to have to repair your iPhone. Now, remember, there are two cameras on your iPhone, the back facing one that points that way, and the front facing one, the selfie one that points that way. You can always just click this button right here, and if that doesn't work, then that's another indicator that your cameras are screwed up and you need to go fix your iPhone. Okay, there's not much left to say about that. You would need to take that to a repair shop, at least to get it evaluated. There might be a an alternative. They might be able to fix it right there without having to buy the chip, the new camera. But in my experience, because this has happened to me before, is you need to change the whole camera, or you can also just buy a new iPhone. So that's about it, guys. There's nothing much more to do here. So thank you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.